Presenting a 1966 Ford Mustang, priced at $10,000. This vehicle was initially acquired from a collector in Utah, who no longer had the time to devote to it. The Mustang's sheet metal is in excellent condition and is almost ready to be painted in any color. It is equipped with its original 6-cylinder engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. The exhaust system has been removed but can be reinstalled. The car is drivable in its current state, or it can be customized with a different power plant. The vehicle comes with a clean title. The exact mileage of the car is not known. The sellers are open to both trades and offers. For sale is a 1962 Chevrolet Biscayne, listed for $7,500. This 4-door sedan is powered by a 3.8 liters, 6-cylinder engine and features a 3-speed transmission. The current owner had intended to restore the vehicle, but has decided to sell due to financial constraints. The engine starts and runs, but it may require a carburetor check. The paintwork has suffered some sun damage. The car, which is considered quite rare these days, is available for viewing and the owner is open to offers. This is a 1971 Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow, priced at $10,000. This antique car is in running condition, but could benefit from some body and interior work. The vehicle has a clean title, and the odometer shows 88,000 miles. For sale is a 1952 Dodge Coronet, listed for $6,500. This vehicle is operational and drivable, although it's not in perfect condition. The brakes are soft, which might not be suitable for long-distance drives. The engine, a flathead straight 6, runs well and the body has minimal rust. The owner is not interested in trades. The car comes with a clean title. The 1955 Ford Ranch Wagon, listed for $6,500. This wagon is in the process of being restored. The owner invested a lot of effort into this old car. It was painted previously, but due to improper preparation in some areas, the paint bubbled and cracked in places. Some rust on the roof has been patched up, and other areas that were photographed are solid, not rusted through. The interior has been refurbished, with only a few minor tears. The engine runs well, although it smoked initially before clearing out and idling smoothly. The transmission needs to be rebuilt. The car has a new dual exhaust system and new wiring throughout. All the lights work, and it has new brakes with a dual master cylinder setup. Moog springs have been installed in the front and 2-inch lowering blocks in the rear. This is a 1949 Plymouth Special Deluxe, priced at $7,500. This vintage vehicle is operational, with its original flathead engine still humming smoothly. It has been fitted with new tires and has undergone a 12-volt conversion. The car features custom interior work, taillights, and halo headlights, adding a modern touch to its classic design. Despite its age, the car is in good condition, although it's not without its flaws. There is a crack in the windshield, a slow battery drain, and the rear end leaks. The car's odometer shows 87,065 miles. It comes with a clean title. The 1951 Buick Special, priced at $9,200. This classic vehicle is equipped with a straight 8 engine that runs perfectly. It features a 3-speed manual transmission, known as 3 on the tree. The car has a clean title and retains its original tags. It was previously owned and cherished by the current owner's father, from whom it was inherited. The current owner, who does not identify as a car enthusiast, is looking to free up some space. This is a 1974 Pontiac Lamon, priced at $8,900. This luxury 2-door model has a rebuilt 350 motor and an automatic transmission. It retains much of its original character, with new interior features including carpeting and an aluminum radiator. The car has new rubber seals for the doors and windows, a Bluetooth stereo, a wooden steering wheel, and Pontiac rally wheels. It has newer power brakes, power windows, and a new carburetor. The car runs and drives well and comes with fender skirts. For sale is a 1971 Ford Capri, priced at $7,800. This German-built vehicle is a rare collector's item, and despite being over half a century old, it's in pretty good condition. It has been stored in a barn in northern New Jersey after being bought from an owner in California. The car has clocked just under 50,000 miles. The Capri is equipped with a European 1.6 liters Canti 4 engine that starts, runs, and idles well. It has a 4-speed manual gearbox and a clutch that are in working order. The brakes and electrics are also functional. The body of the car has minimal rust with a few spots that can be fixed relatively easily, and the frame appears to be rust-free. However, the car's vinyl upholstery has become brittle and separated due to exposure to sunlight, as is common with cars that were used daily before being acquired by collectors. With a bit of care, this car has the potential to be truly remarkable. It's worth noting that all proceeds from the sale of this car will be donated to a 42-year-old U.S. Navy veteran and single parent who was critically injured in August 2023 and is still unable to walk after a 5-month hospitalization.